Welcome back to the KTC Garage. This is the channel where we do all types of DIY projects. There used to be a candle in here, and my girlfriend said, man, I really like this little container. Could you build me something to hold this where I can maybe put a little cactus or something in it? I said, sure, I can do that. About that same time, I was throwing away my little boy's laundry basket. It's a wicker basket that had gotten kind of bad in the bottom, and it was time to throw it away. But the lid was still good, and I really liked the way that basket weave pattern looked. So I implemented that, and this, and made this. And this is how I did it, coming up. particular project completed. I like the way this little wall sconce turned out. I really like this copper sulfate treatment on this steel. I had never done that before. I saw Doug do it off Artfully Rogue. He patinaed some steel with this copper sulfate. I went to the local hardware store. They had some. It was in the pool section, and we finally found it. And I patinaed this metal, and it turned out really cool. It's a little feminine for something that I would prefer of a more industrial design, but this is for my girlfriend, and she loves that kind of pinkish copper color. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe